Hey, good morning, LinkedIn. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. So I see you've made the change to what I'm referring to as the new LinkedIn profile view in Sales Navigator. Even though in LinkedIn I still don't have the new view. However, I like this. I'm glad to see that you've made this change and you've got the new profile view in Sales Navigator. But I have a problem, folks. It's not working. So this is a hyperlink under here under Ben's contact information. Really cool. That's a hyperlink as I expect it to be. I expect this to be a hyperlink, and it's not. I also expect these icons, which appear to be hyperlinks, to work. If I click on this one here, you can see it bombs out with page not found. If I highlight and click on Twitter one, down the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see it's going to contact info item URL, and that doesn't work either. Come on, guys. This really is stressful. This doesn't work. Furthermore, when I go see show all, so if I show the contact information here, I expect this to be a hyperlink. If it's going to show me, make this a hyperlink. Make this a hyperlink. I got it. I can add more. Thank you very much. But please make these hyperlinks and make these hyperlinks work. I love what you guys are doing. I love where you're heading. However, I really hope that you spend more time doing QA and more time thinking out the changes you're making in Sales Navigator. I spend a lot of money. I want this to work well for me. Please help me to make this stuff work better. Thanks a lot.